Hello everyone, my name is Professor Leo and I'm here to teach you how to install .NET 8.0 or 9.0 on Linux. This tutorial will support all versions of desktop environments for Linux. In this case I mean all Linux-based OSs, be it Debian, Ubuntu, Alpine, Fedora, OpenSUSE, whatever you want. Microsoft provides essentially installation instructions for all of those. All you need to do is go to the link that I'll put in the description and essentially press the link that's related to your operating system. In my case, it's Debian. So if I go here, I'll have instructions for my specific version, which is Debian 12. All I need to do is run them one by one in my terminal emulator, as can be seen. Let me just disable this. Okay. It will download a deb package, sudo user on your specific account. Otherwise it won't work. There we go. Then I can remove the packages, follow them. It's basically a sudo apt-get update, which updates your list of packages available in your desktop. And then apt-get install -y .NET SDK 8.0. And there we go, .NET is now installed. For good measure, let's close the terminal emulator and reopen it. Now if I type .NET, and there we go. All of the .NET options are available now. So you can start programming, which we will do on the next tutorial. So I'll see you soon.